Welcome to my SEO training course, an introduction to search engine optimization. Whether you're a business owner, a marketing manager, or getting started as an SEO, I'm going to help walk you down the Google organic path without you falling down any of the pitfalls. My name's David, and I've been ranking competitive terms #1 on Google since 2005, and I've also been helping others do the same for the past 8 years. I'll be your instructor right through the course. When you complete the course, you'll be a lot more comfortable at understanding what is SEO and why is it important. You'll also be a lot more comfortable with how search engines work and why SEO is so important for your business moving forward. In addition, I'm going to be leaving you with quite a few ways of measuring how your SEO is performing at the moment and how to improve it in the future. I'm going to cover areas like on-site, on-page and off-site SEO, key elements of on-site and on-page SEO, and also how to measure the impact of SEO. If you're a small business owner wondering how to improve your Google rankings, or a marketing manager, or just getting started as an SEO, then this course is ideal for you. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.